Executing the model, we can select the model in the Simulation tab, then click Execute button that's shown on the ribbon menu. After the simulation is done, we can right-click on the model based in this example and select Open Solution. PLEXOS Output Interface. The user interface is used to display and review solution files. Solution files are stored in a zipped XML file. It is also available in a Microsoft Access solution format. Solution database name convention. We have the model or the model name, the solution.zip or zip file or MDB file. Solution will open up the zipped solution file, not the XML inside it. Output interface. It only displays objects selected in the model report in input interface. It only enables period types selected in model reports and only displays properties selected in model reports. Elements of PLEXOS Output Interface. We have the ribbon menu as we saw before, and we have the tree and query pane. In the middle we see the object tree. At the bottom left we see the query parameters. To the right is the results pane, where we can see the result data and chart tabs. We see the data layout tab and the log file tab. Select query parameters. We can choose simulation phase, period type, date range, and properties. Report by class or category, by object, or by selected objects. Check selected object in the object tree pane and highlight class or category. Highlight the class or categories in the objects tree pane. Highlight the objects in the objects tree pane. Solution charts in output interface. Solution query results are shown in tabs. Each solution tab contains 2 tab pages, Solution Data tabs page and Solution Chart tab page. Solution Chart displays settings. In the Chart tab is accessible via the ribbon menu. We can select chart type, line, bar, pie, etc. Time series or duration curve, and secondary y-axis also available. Solution charts can be copied to clipboard. Locating the model log file. There are 2 ways to locate the model log files. We can either click the log tab on the solution interface, or we open the solution file in the solution folder. On the ribbon menu, we click on Open Solution window, and this should take us to the folder where all the model files are located. At any time, we can export the results to Excel, and this is done by choosing the Excel icon on the ribbon menu and click Export, and this should lead us to a new Excel sheet. Exercise 3. We can open exercise 2 and execute the model. After we are done with the model execution, we can open the solution and then export to results. And the last task is to locate model log file. You may pause the video and go to PLEXOS, open exercise 2 and practice, and resume after you're done. So here we go to PLEXOS, exercise 2. On the simulation tab, we open the model. In this case, we have only one model. There's 2 options to execute it. Either we right click and choose execute, or as mentioned in the slides, we can click execute. After we select execute, we select the right model to execute and then hit execute. PLEXOS will take some time to execute the model. As we can see the progress. And once the simulation is done, we hit any button and the solution should be ready. We right click and open solution. This will take me to the output interface. I can select from the tree object, the generators, and we can select the generator cost, price, and received, and we hit execute. This will generate the results, and we can switch between these tabs. For the results, you can see the log file at the bottom. Export into Excel. You can highlight the table, paste into Excel, and this will take me to Excel sheet that has all the output available. We can locate the model files by going to the actual model and hit on the window and open location. And this will take me to the location where I stored all my file data. after we're done with exercise 3, let's talk about takeaways. Select the output files format and output parameters option in the report objects. It must be done before executing the simulation. In the solution viewer, we have objects tree, where we can select objects from system topology to view output options. Tree and query pane, we can select output parameters, time range and report granularity, and hit execute. On the ribbon menu, we can execute reports, select reports and chart settings, export data into Excel. Results pane, view charts or tabular results.